Imagine a volcano sneezing. When Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991, it spewed 20 million tons of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. This volcanic sneeze cooled the Earth by about 0.5 for 2 years. The sulfur dioxide formed a reflective layer, bouncing sunlight back into space. It's like the Earth put on a pair of sunglasses. This quirky phenomenon shows how volcanoes can play a surprising role in climate regulation. Who knew a volcanic eruption could give the planet a cool break? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.